In this video, we will see how to fix File Explorer search not working on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, File Explorer search not working properly, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on Start button and choose Task Manager. Restart your Windows Explorers. In Task Manager, from the left side, go to Process, and here look for Windows Explorer. Under Processing, you may type in search field, select Windows Explorer and click on Restart Task from the top right corner. It will restart your Windows Explorer, and after that close the window. After restarting Windows Explorer, File Explorer, close the windows and check whether your File Explorer search working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open Run dialog box by pressing right click on a Start button and choose Run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open Run dialog box. And here in Run dialog box, type the command services.msc. Click on OK. It will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here, scroll down and look for the option Windows Search. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. And here make sure that service status is running. If you found it as stop mode, then start it first and go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic. And finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your File Explorer search working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open File Explorer and here go to your affected drive, which search not working. Here click on 3 horizontal dot and choose options. Here from the top menu bar, go to search and make sure that always search file names and contents, this might take several minutes, is duly checked. Enable this feature. And thereafter choose apply and OK to save the changes and check whether File Explorer search working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again open File Explorer. Here go to your drive, right click on it and choose properties. Here at the bottom of the page, make sure that allow files on this drive to have contents indexed in addition to file properties is duly checked. If you found it unchecked, then make the check against this option and choose apply and OK to save the changes. Close the window and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and here type search troubleshoot and open find and fix problems with Windows Search. Type search troubleshoot in search field and open troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Search and index in troubleshoot. Choose advanced and make check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the search troubleshooting process in your system. Select all that apply, choose which issues you are facing, make the check against all this and finally click on next and finally follow on screen instruction to complete the search and indexing troubleshoot in your system. After that, check whether File Explorer search working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel in your system, rebuild your search and indexing. In control panel, scroll down and look for the option indexing options. Click on it. Indexing option window will now open. Here click on advanced. Here from the top menu bar, go to file types and here make the check against option index properties and file contents. and click on OK. On the same page, close this advanced options windows, go to index settings, and here delete and rebuild index you will find. Click on rebuild and follow on screen instruction to complete the rebuilding process of your search and indexing. And check whether your file explorer search working or not. If not, scan your system with SFC scan. Now go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes. And in command prompt windows, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system, and accordingly your issue file explorer search not working definitely be resolved.